A lot of you guys don't like to read, but get my top 20 books. Because I tell people, see, when I was in 5th grade, and I don't say this to brag because it has nothing to do with me. I can't take any credit for it. When I was in 5th grade, I was reading on a second-year college level. 5th grade. I was a sophomore college reader. I love to read. So I just have this disease called readology. I'm reading 4 or 5 books at a time, all the time. And of my top 20 books, only 2 of them are in the real estate field. Okay? The other, I don't really read much real estate stuff because to be successful in this business, you don't really have to learn that much about real estate. It's God's honest truth. You just have to learn about human behavior, human nature, psychology, understanding the homo sapien, understanding success, period. How do you manifest success? There's thousands of ways to do it. Another agent would teach you a different way than what I know, but they're still successful. Doesn't matter. Like some people just teach door knocking. Like, for example, Kenny Klaus. You know how he's successful and doing hundreds of millions of dollars? He was a FedEx driver. And when he got into real estate, he said, well, when I was in FedEx, I just went to certain neighborhoods. I knew all the dogs and I knew all the people, I knew who was home and who wasn't. So he just started knocking doors. And he became hundreds of millions in real estate. Now he's got multiple businesses and big teams and all kinds of stuff. I wouldn't do that, but that's how he did it. See what I'm saying? And so what I teach people is drink from many fountains. I don't have all the truth. But there's a bigger picture to discover than just, okay, how do I sell a whole bunch? Because you can sell a whole bunch of real estate and still not be successful, period. Tony Robbins teaches this. You can do 100, there's people do 100, 200, 300, 400 deals a year, and they're not successful people. They got failed marriages, their health is bad, poor. See, if you have failed health and a great business, what is that? It's still not what it should be. It's not optimal. Make sense?